Hi everyone, welcome to the Spring Framework Bootcamp. Okay, so this will be the most important video and most interesting video. Okay, why? Because we're gonna replace our application context.xml configuration file. We're gonna replace XML file with Spring and annotations. And we're gonna achieve all the concepts we have studied like IOC, dependency injection, bean scope lifecycle using annotations. And it's super easy and super interesting. So from this video you'll feel like okay, Spring is really bread and butter. Fine. So it's I'm really excited. So let's start the video. Okay. So IOC using annotations. We've already seen IOC inversion of control using XML in the past videos. Fine. Now let's convert and let's achieve inversion of control using annotations. So let's directly go to the code. Yeah, so this is a car dealer example. We have already coded in my past video to achieve IOC. Okay, one more thing, those who directly jump into this video, they can continue it. They can continue it. Why? Because I'm gonna explain using Scratch. Why? Because I'm not going to take the risk. This will lead to the confusion in your mind. Okay, so they can continue it and I'm going to explain this example to achieve IOC using annotations from Scratch. Fine. So what we have done in this example, what we have did, let me, yeah. Okay, so what we have did in this example is I have created an interface that is car interface and declare one method, show car details. Then I have created three classes. One is family car, which is implementing car interface, so it should override the method. The method it should override and give its own implementation. That is, this is family car. Similarly, I have created another class, sports car, also implement car interface and override the method and giving its own implementation. Similarly, the third car, Cybertruck car, implementing again car interface and override the method, giving its own implementation. This is the Cybertruck car. Fine. Now I want to call these methods from my main application. This is my main application. I'm calling this method. From here I'm getting the car object. Whatever car I've selected, family car, sports car, Cybertruck car. So after selecting the car, after selecting any car, I want to call this method. How to do it? I need the object of family car. If I get the object, then on the object I can call the method. Yeah, I need the object of a class, then only I can call the methods of that class. So I'm calling this method. But before it, I'm getting the object here. So from that object, I'm calling this method. How I'm getting the object? Here is the main point. Using application context.xml file. We have created a file, XML file. In that file, we have created our bean configurations for family car, sports car and Cybertruck car. Fine, agree? Stay with me. Okay, are you with me? Fine. So we have created three beans. Beans is nothing but an object only. Okay, bean creation, object creation. Now when you run the application, so Spring will come here, Spring control will come here and scan this file, scan this XML file, and he will detect that okay, there are bean configuration is done for three classes, family, sports car and Cybertruck car. They are the three classes. So that whenever you are calling, whenever you want the object of any of the classes using this context.getBean, whenever you want the bean, whenever you want the object, bean object same, whenever you want the bean of any of the classes, I will give the object and you can call the methods on the, in that class, on that object. Fine. Now I'm telling you that you don't need this application context.xml file. Why? Because in the bigger projects, in the bigger project which contain 20-30 classes, it becomes super hectic. Fine. So we need to replace it with something short and effective. Fine. So what it is? So it is the annotations. Go to the family car. In the family car class, add component. Done. Okay, so See here, add component. Fine. It means it is equivalent to this complete line. This complete line. It is equivalent to. Now, you might be asking that okay, it is also accepting ID, so that we can call the bean. So ID is here. Copy it and go there in the braces, double quotes, write it. Done. Done. Similarly, for the sports car, where is the application context? Sports car, go there, sports car, add component and write the ID in the double quotes. Similarly, in the Cybertruck car, add component and see, we're gonna delete this file. Wait. And whatever ID is Cybertruck, okay, Cybertruck. Now let me delete it. Delete. No need. Okay, delete it. Let's go to our application file. Here. Now you will be asking me that you have already deleted the context. The context file deleted. Okay, then you're not getting the context here, because see, you are writing this application context.xml and you are getting the context file object which contains the bean. Now you are not getting it because you have already deleted. So delete this also. Okay, delete this also and write one line, that is annotation config XML annotation config application context equal new. Okay, and in that no need to give the file name, give the package name. Okay, package name constant. Rest all. Done. There is no need for configuration for like bean and then and all this. Later we'll see the dependency injection. It's also super easy. Okay, so this is done, and here yeah, rest all is same. Can I run it? Let me run it. Okay, choose the car you wanna buy. Now I have to select any car like 1 2 3. I want that is response. What response? Suppose if I select Cybertruck car, then I want this is a Cybertruck car, because I'm calling the method show car details. So let me select Cybertruck 3 and enter. I got it. Okay, now let me run it again, and okay, now family car. That means the application context file deleted. When we write add component, Spring get to know that okay, I want to give the object of this class. Just that's all. Like just add component, and Spring is so intelligent. Okay, fine. This class I want to give the object of that class whenever you required, and the ID is this. Rest all is same. Tell me what changes we've done. From now on, you just make the changes like component, auto-wire, like all the annotations. Nothing change in this. Fine. So this is the bread and butter, and from now on, we're gonna go like using the annotations only. Just replace the XML file. Okay. So this is what we have achieved IOC using annotations. Next is dependency, and then we'll quickly complete the bean scope and lifecycle. Okay, because we've already done it. Now we are just converting from XML to the annotations. Nothing is. Okay. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and I hope that you'll got a clear-cut understanding of annotations. Fine. And then if you enjoy the video, then please comment, subscribe, like, and thank you.